Hello, hello, hello again. I'm so excited I can't even talk about it right now. So, this is the beginning of my birthday weekend. It is the 10th, Thursday the 10th. Yeah, it's my birthday weekend. It starts Thursday night. Anyways, 2 items came in. This one I have not, I just opened the box, but I haven't actually opened it yet. And this item actually came in the day before. I'm so happy with my presents for me to me this year. I can't even talk about it. So this is the piece de resistance. Oh, I'm so excited. This has been on hold with Fashionphile for 60 days. Their high-end layaway option they have for. But this is something I just got from the Real. And there's a little story to this. Anyways, so there's gonna be one unboxing and one reveal. I went and picked this up on my lunch hour today, and I actually used this yesterday and today, but I picked this up on my lunch hour today. I'm so excited I can't even talk about it. Okay, first is this, and what's funny is obviously these are Sunnies. There's 2. I've been looking at these sunglasses on the Louis Vuitton website for like at least a year, probably 2 years, the way time just flies now. And I was recently in the Louis Vuitton store, tried them on again, and I'm like, I'm just gonna go ahead and get them. Well, I bought 2 other items already, and my client advisor said, hey, there's a reason why we're called client advisors and not sales associates anymore. You just bought these 2 big items. Why don't you wait on the sunglasses, think about it, and then come back? And I said, well, you know what? I wanted these glasses for a while, and we do have a really good rapport. And he said, listen, you just told me you just spent the most at Louis Vuitton that you've ever spent. And now you want to add on another pair of $800 sunglasses. He's just hilarious. I love my client advisor. I'm not going to go as far as say I love him, but he's cool people. So anyways, I leave the store, do not get the glasses, just leave with my ready to wear in the shoes. Child, I get home and I'm like, oh, he was probably right. I'll just wait and get the glasses, maybe like in 6 months or something. I decide to go on to the Real website, and look what the heck I find. I found the glasses that I wanted for less than half off. Y'all can't tell me anything. I'm so excited. I cannot believe it. It's like, these are the glasses. These are the exact glasses that I wanted. And here you go, Louis Vuitton. I forget what kind they're called. And so I saw these, and then I scrolled down a little further, just because, I saw those. I'm like, oh my God, the exact glasses. I wanted these ones, the black and silver. Scroll down. Child, why did they have another one, but in black and gold? And I've tried on the black and gold too, but I knew I was like, well, I can't get both. So if I had to pick between the 2, because they're $800, I would get the black and silver. Child, let me open this up. Bam. So I'm gonna send a hilarious picture to my client advisor and say, oh, I'm so glad you told me not to get them, because I end up getting 2 for 1. You don't know how excited I am. I've wanted these glasses for at least a year. Oh, they're so nice. I just love them. And I mean, they really, even though, silver, gold, but they're the exact same type of glasses, I don't care. I like the shape on my face. So I'll take some pictures and put it on my Instagram, or maybe I'll put it up as a post here on YouTube. But I'm so excited. I am beyond excited. You can't even tell me nothing. So, and they're the exact same glasses. Exact same. Except one's gold and then one's silver. Go ahead and excuse my ash. Oh, did I put the lotion on? Oh, I did, so I'm good. So look, it's the exact same glasses, except, do you see? Well, except one's gold. This is gold, and then the other one's silver. But I absolutely love when the shape of these glasses on my face. So anyways, it was definitely meant to be for me not to buy those bad boys in store. Because, yeah, he was right. I've never spent this much at Louis Vuitton. I tried my hand at ready to wear, and I finally found a pair of shoes that fit on the women's side. I'll put a link to the other video I have where I tried on the Academy loafers. And yeah, those were a big old fail. I ordered them, got them home. I just knew they were going to fit. I mean, they're freaking loafers. Nope. It was a big old no. But these did work out. And so that's going to be an unboxing later because I'm not bringing no Louis Vuitton bags to work. Anyways. And then the thing is, I was wearing these and then I decided, oh, let me just go ahead and bring them to work because I knew I was getting this on my lunch hour and I could just do a quick unboxing. I mean, a quick reveal. So that's the first one for my birthday. And this one, oh, I'm so excited. This is also the most I've ever spent at Fashionphile. Oh, so anyways. Oh, white gold. That's so funny. That's going to be my wish list for next year to get some white gold pieces. So anyhow, the calendar, you know, everyone's seen that. And then, you know, you get your shop silver Pete and thank you. A little insert that has your receipt and whatnot in it. And here she is. Oh, I'm so excited. Y'all, you know, good old Fashionphile. They're always gonna do you. From the bottom of this box, whatever, it's my birthday, I'm hella excited. Oh my gosh. You guys will not believe it. I almost didn't believe it when I saw it on their site for the price it was being, you know, offered. Or, you know, the sale price. And then I was like, And then I waited a little bit and that bad boy went 10% lower. And then they had a, no, it went 5% lower. It was 5%. And then they had a sale over the Christmas period where you can get up to like $500 off, or maybe it was $300 off. Anyways, I got $300 off. Y'all ready? If y'all, I have other Bacardi. You would think I was already drinking, talk about Bacardi. Bulgari jewelry. And this is going to be the piece de resistance. Oh, well, shoot, I done told you. Rose gold diamond bangle. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop saying oh my gosh. It is beautiful. Oh, yeah, I'm about to say oh my gosh again, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Let me look it up with my own eyes. Oh, I love it. Oh, let me see if I can, how do we open this? It's supposed to be hinged because, you know, I have big wrists, big hands, so if it's not a hinge, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yeah, hinge. Oh, is this the hinge? So how do I open this bad boy? Is there something here? Okay, hold on just a second, y'all. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna see that barcode real quick. Or, I don't know, something's entertaining. Oh, whatever. Just a second. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm trying to figure out how to open this bad boy up. Okay, I figured it out. This was it. So this is the part you press together and it opens. Ah! Okay, then let's see if I can put it on by myself or I have to get hubby to help me when I get home. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Bulgari. Okay. I'm so excited right now. Oh, if this doesn't fit, well, I'm gonna be hot. Oh, wait a minute. Does this not fit? Y'all, what? Am I just doing something wrong? Oh no, it fits. Ooh. Bam! Ah! I love it. Oh my gosh. Actually, I meant to use it. Okay. So it's supposed to go with the bracelet stack. I don't know, my behind got so excited. I just stuck it over here on this arm. But look at this. I love it. Oh, and I have another Bulgari piece. It's a ceramic ring, and it has a diamond in the middle of it. And so I was thinking, oh, this will go. Rose gold. I love it. Oh, happy birthday to me. Yeah, I did bring this to work. I was like, oh, I can wait till I get home. No, I really can't. Let me see if this will work for a stack, because I didn't think about that part. This is a Tiffany T square bracelet. Yeah, sorry. This is all one-handed, y'all. You know this low tech over here, low tech. Let me see. I don't know if I like this as a, let me get this away from here. Sorry, y'all. Low tech, low tech. I don't have the ability to edit, or maybe I do, I just don't know how. Yeah, I don't know about that. It's like a ring bracelet stack. I don't think I like that. I think I like it separate. But either way, my new bracelet. Ooh. Actually, now that I'm looking at it with my Tiffany, looks very not substantial. Wait a minute now, y'all. Do I not like this? I mean, I liked it at first, but look at my Tiffany bracelet and then look at that. Am I just being silly? Like, oh, I shouldn't have put them together. Wow. I don't know. Sorry, that's just underneath my desk at work. Oh, let me know what y'all think. I got this less than 50% off. So, I mean, it was a great, great, great deal. But I don't know. It doesn't do it for me like I thought it would. Oh, never mind. I should have just looked at it with my own eyes. On camera, it's sort of like less than wow. But when I look at it with my own eyes, y'all can't tell me nothing. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, yeah, this is me. This is me all day, every day. This is me. Maybe not always a stack. Yeah, I'm looking at it with my own eyes now, and I love it. So, camera can sometimes be deceiving. Video can sometimes be deceiving. But anyways, this is my new bracelet. Oh, I love it. Well, let's see if hubby's going to notice. He doesn't notice anything, which is a good thing. I just buy what I want and I don't have to hear any mouth. But anyways, y'all, this is my first birthday unboxing. I have, it's going to be a huge haul. I got something from Telfar, got a Telfar bag coming in. Something from Hanifa, got a sweater coming in. Like I said, I have Louis Vuitton. I have some more actually items that I ordered from the Real clothes. And I have a fabulous tea set coming in. But more than I collect tea, well, y'all know, look at this. I love my little tea sets. So, but even more fabulous is that I have this outstanding Versace thing coming that I've wanted for a while. And I kept saying, no, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And then I'm gonna blame Cassie $2 because she went ahead and got it. And I said, wow, she wanted something for 2 years and then went ahead and got it. Maybe I should too. But then I saw the price again. I said, oh, I can't do that. I'm not at that level. Then I saw it 63% off. Snatched it up just like that. So y'all will see that soon too. So after all this will be no buy. It's going to be no buy for a few months at least. But there will be something coming up this weekend. I'm doing a giveaway for my birthday. I asked questions about it like in September of last year to see what folks thought about a pre-love bag giveaway. Well, you're getting it now. So the video will come up after my birthday. I'm going to post it on my birthday's Tuesday. So I'm going to record it on my birthday, then post it. So there'll be a bag and an SLG that I'm giving away. Just as a thank you. And, you know, I just appreciate y'all just coming and watching my videos. Like, you know, I'm not an influencer. I know that. But it's still fun to post videos and have people make their comments and know people like looking at beautiful things like I do. Alrighty, y'all. I'm about to go show off my bracelet. Okay, y'all. Happy Friday. And I will see you in the next video. One last look. She's a beauty. All right, y'all. Bye.